Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Poly Industrial Stool with casters and glides. Assembly guide. Included in the box are poly seat pad, 5-star base, Part A gas strut and gas strut cover, Part B 5 glides, Part C 5 casters. Please note that the Poly Industrial Stool is supplied with both casters and glides. We're fitting the casters for this video, but you can fit either when you assemble the stool, and both fit the same way. Take the 5-star base and insert the casters or the glides into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the 5-star base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Then take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Next, pick up the poly seat pad and slot it into position on the gas strut. And there you have it. Within minutes, your Poly Industrial Stool is ready for action. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.